Yo dudes!
Welcome to bulk juicing, one of the best ways that you can build up your immune system. Okay, with back to routine, summer's over, colds and flu seasons have started. Juicing is one of the best ways to build up yours and your family's immune system. We're doing a run 130 kilometers across the Wicklow Way. And
when's that, in 2 weeks' time?
That's in 2 weeks, and we don't have time typically to juice every day. So batch juicing is a wonderful way to get nitric oxide from beetroot and greens, which will help dilute our blood vessels to encourage more blood flow and just enable us to heal better. Yeah, but batch juicing, so as Stephen said, we juice in batches. It'll last for up to 3 days, particularly using a Nama J2 juicer. The quality of the juice is just amazing. And it really is one of the quickest and the best ways for you to build up your immune system and your families. This is the normal hopper that comes with the Nama J2 juicer, and this is the special batch hopper, which gives us 50% extra capacity. And we also get equal sized jugs, which means the beautiful thing is that it's hand-free juicing. I literally put all my veg, my produce in, turn it on, head off, come back 10 minutes later, and my juice is made for me. Okay, when we're juicing, we really want to base it on veg. So 80% of what we are going to juice is veg. Apple is really just to sweeten it, and the lemon is really just to give that, to offset the greens. Like we've got a lot of kale and chard here, fresh from the farm, delicious, super packed with nutrients, and the lime offsets the bitterness. And
is that not a lemon?
That's a lemon, yes.
The vitamin C in that helps with iron absorption, and also what it does is a lemon is high in citric acid, which will often be used as a means of preserving food. Try to use as much local veg as you can. On our farm, we have some chard, kale, cucumbers, some carrots coming out of the ground, and beets. So it's wonderful. We're celebrating local, seasonal produce.
So loading up the batch hopper on the Nama J2 is you'll always start with your greens. So we've got a load of washed chard here. Chard is packed with different chlorophyll and loads of different nutrients.
And you're just going in with the stalks, just straight away?
Everything in there. Kale as well. So start with the leafy greens. Ooh. They go right in down the bottom.
And the good thing about this is, like, it's hard to eat that much kale and chard, and most people find it bitter and just sharp. Juicing is a great way to get it into you.
So I just snap my carrots, snap my cucumber. Ooh. Actually, I'm gonna slice my cucumber. And beetroot is the one here. Like we mentioned, we're doing this big run across the Wicklow Way in, I think it's 10 days time. So we're actually, what are we doing now? We're on
tapering.
Tapering, yes. But beetroot is amazing. It's packed with nitric oxide, which studies have shown that it helps dilate your blood vessels and enhance performance by, I don't know, a certain amount of percentage.
By loads.
So here we go, completely hands-free, hopper's done, and just turn it on, away we go. Off we go, leave her do it.
Oh, it's great, isn't it?
Okay, here it is. This is the bit I most love. So see the way the chamber is filled up with all our glorious, and delicious vegetable juice. You ready to watch this? So you can see here in the two jugs, these are the batch jugs. It actually is a sieve here to filter out any of the pulp. So it does make it super smooth and delicious. You ready for it? 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Whoa.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
fantastic.
But it's the beetroot making it go red.
And if anyone sees, here's the pulp coming out here. And it's so fibrous, it's nearly like clothing. It's coming out so dry. So we're gonna add in the rest of the juice. You can see this is gonna be pretty dense and kind of a gnarly juice. So we're gonna add in a little bit of sweetener coming in the form of apples. We've got 2 apples in there. I like to put in half a lemon, like just put it.
I normally put in a full lime, and I'll probably put in the full lemon. I do find that lemon taste is better than the bitter greens. Like they're so good for you, but they can be hard to juice. So I do find putting in a full lime, and at least I'd probably put in the full lemon as well.
Okay, nice.
Just to be sure, like.
So turmeric, if you're not familiar with it, really high in antioxidants, curcumin, very good at reducing oxidation and minimizing free radical damage.
Well, it's all about inflammation. Yeah. That's the big thing, which is
the root of it. Do you want the lemon in?
I will, but there's no room left.
Okay, boom.
So hands free, another 10-minute break. So as you may know, we are super fans of the Nama juices. The quality is just outstanding. And we say that as people who've been juicing themselves for 20 years. We haven't literally been juicing ourselves, but we juice.
You get a 15-year warranty, which is fabulous.
A 5-year warranty.
15.
Is it?
Yeah, 15.
15, jeez, I thought it was 5. Okay, amazing. But realistically, the quality of the juice that comes out is outstanding, that it does last for 3 days. And Nama, you get 10% off with the code HAPPYPEAR10. That's on the Nama J2 or the Nama J3 juicers.
And they're doing an offer for the batch juicing bundle as a discount code down below, specifically just between the 19th and 29th of September. Details
it's
down below.
30% off, and that comes with
the batch juicing hopper, the batch juicing jugs to make sure that it's hands-free.
Super cool bottles.
And you get 4 of the 17-ounce bottles, which are beautiful. I use these all the time in my fridge. I do. And what I'll typically do is I'll batch juice a whole lot of juice, and I'll store 4 of them in the fridge, and then when I go running, I'll just come back and drink a full one. And it's very refreshing, very cooling, and it pumps me up. So if that was confusing, you get 10% off with the code HAPPYPEAR10 for the full juicer. And for the batch juicing bundle, HAPPYPEAR30 gets you 30% off. That's between September the 19th and the 29th of September. So it's a 10-day window for the batch juicing. Fantastic if you've got a family, if you've got kids. And if you do like to batch juice on a Monday for 3 days, we typically do it in 3-day stints. Some people do it as much as 5 days, but I find 3 days is as much as we do them. And ladies and gentlemen, that is batch juicing complete. Like even the lemon skin comes out, and it's remarkable. So what comes as part of the batch bundle is you come with a paddle that comes as part of the lid, which is great for just moving away any excess fiber that actually it leaves in the top to make sure that your juice is super smooth and silky and velvety. So it's really, really cool. Okay, so when you're filling your bottles, fill it right to the top. Oh, look how mineral dense that is. So by filling it right to the top, you're leaving very little room for oxygen, and squeeze just a little bit of lemon. Obviously keep the seeds out. Because where the juice interacts with the air is where it's most susceptible to actually turning, and the lemon does, because it's got citric acid, it will ensure that it lasts longer.
Oh, right.
I swear we'd have planned. Look at that. And one top tip, which I have learned the hard way, is always put the date of your juice so you know when you made it. And there we go, bulk juicing complete. Very practical.
How long will you store them
easy.
in the fridge for?
They'll store in the fridge for up to 3 days. And as we said, this batch juicing bundle, you get 30% off with the code HAPPYPEAR30. It comes with the batch hopper, both batch jugs, and 4 of these 17-ounce jugs, which are beautiful, beautiful storage glass jars.
Juice?
Yes, I'd love to.
Okay, we're going to store one for later. We'll put that in the fridge. That'll last 3 days in the fridge. And here we go.
Nitric oxide.
Okay,
performance
to your health, performance enhancing juice. Ah! Jeez, that's powerful. Jeez, you're thirsty, aren't you? Thanks, Mel, for watching. We'd highly recommend this Nama juicer. We think they're wonderful, such a good company, and batch juicing, such a wonderful way to build your health, your family's health,
Yum.
and to increase your performance.
Ginger and lemon and lime is beautiful. Like, that honestly tastes really, really good. As we said, HAPPYPEAR10 will get you a code. You'll get you 10% off a Nama J2 or J3 juicer. HAPPYPEAR30 gets you 30% off their batch juicing bundle, which is the hopper, both jugs, and 4 17-ounce of these delicious jars. So that's 30% off between the 19th and 29th of September. So thanks, Mel, for watching. We really, really appreciate it. And juicing is just such an amazing way to build up yours and your family's immune system.
Thanks, Mel.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.